Good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on the Bex educational consultant. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, and giving it a word thumbs up. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the summary of chemistry and physics calculation. Do you understand? How you're going to tackle the whole calculation in chemistry and physics. Do you understand? How you're going to do it? How one can do it and pass exam. Do you understand? The summary of chemistry and physics calculation. After that, now let me give you some tips. We have tips. Tips regards to physics and chemistry. Jamb 2025 calculations. So now these are the tips you are going to know regards to this calculation. So first of all, we'll tell you about multiplier and divisor. Do you understand? We have number one we call multiplier. And divisor. And what? Number two is what? Divisor. When we talk about multiplier in physics or chemistry, we're talking about the one you use to multiply. You understand? You use to increase. They are called multiplier. Then when we talk about divisor, they are called divider. The one used to do what? Divide. You understand? Most variables are under multipliers. Do you understand? Why? I'm going to list out the divisor variables. Do you understand? Whenever you see them in any equation, you know their function is to divide. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Something like when you see something like ladies, see something like distance, see something like time. What again? Ladies, distance, time, etc. Their function, they are acting as a what? Division. I will teach you this one so that you know it. Then multipliers, many variables are acting as a what? Multipliers. Are you hearing me? They're acting as a what? Multiplier. They're acting as a what? Multiplier. Are you hearing me? Many variables are acting as a multipliers. Something variable like, you can get something like max, acceleration, velocity, etc. So these ones are now acting as a multiplier. This one are acting as a what? Divisor. So understand. So I think you have understood this. You have understood it. Very, very paramount. You understand? Let's clean the board. Let's now go for how to apply them now. So now look at the board. We're going to discuss about flux, energy, power. You understand? They are mainly used in calculation in physics. There's like physics calculation. Then in chemistry, we are going to talk about the direct or indirect proportion application. You understand? So now number one, we talk about fox. So when we talk about fox means multiply of variables. You understand? It means multiply or variables. So now when we see some variables attached with fox, once you see fox, gravitational fox, electric fox, any kind of fox, it means multiply all the variable given. You understand? So when they give you fox, they told you find the electric force when this blah 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 giving blah blah blah, multiply all variables. Are you hearing me? That is fox. That is fox. Multiply everything attached. Apart from when they give you a variables and also they attach it with what? Distance. It means that you multiply other variables and divide by distance. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? So that is what you need to know about fox. Fox means to multiply other variables. Like now when they give you max, from the parameters, max is 2 kg, something like that. They give you acceleration at 0.3 meter per second square. So what we do, because I've told you that fox means multiply everything. So what we do, this times this, that is function of fox. Fox means multiply everything. Multiply everything. Are you hearing me? It's very important. Know this and know peace. Are you hearing me? So now when you know this, it will help you. But now listen, they will tell you, you know, from the question will help you to know the formula you're going to apply or what you're going to do to solve the question. Somebody is telling you in this question, two body of max, two body, not one, but two. You understand? But two body. That is A and B. It means you are multiplying two things. If the max is 1, it means there are 2. So 1 times 1. If the mass is 2, it means there are 2. So 2 times 2. Are you getting something? Two bodies. Or I can say a mass of A is this, and mass of B is this. Find the gravitational force when the distance is this. Are you getting me? So this body are 2. So look at the board. A body A. Sorry for using M. Body A and body B. Are you getting me? Two body. See what happened? The mass of this is 4. The mass is 4. Then the mass of this is what? 2. See what happened? There's two bodies are separated by what? By distance. 0.2 meter. So it means that this body has a distance of what? This one has it because there are 2 now. Are you getting something? Distance of these 2. You now introduce a constant. Whenever you see these 2, you introduce a what? Constant. That's when Jamb will ask you what is the gravitational force. What is the word? Gravitational force. No, see now, gravitational force. They are asking you force because these 2 are 2. I thought that force means multiply everything. But once you see a distance, you multiply other variables and divide by distance. But now, they are 2 bodies. They are what? 2 bodies. A and B. So it simply means that you are multiplying body A and body B. Mass of body A times mass of body B. Now you divide by what? There are 2 distance. So there are 2. There are also 2 distance. So it means that distance body A will also multiply by distance body B. Do you understand the scenario? There are 2 now. So for the question will tell you what to do. Remember that we give you a constant at one side. But remember that the numerator means multiply everything. That is why you attach the constant here. Because they give you force. Are you hearing me? So this is everything about force. Force means multiply everything. Multiply everything they give you. If there's a divisor, you divide it by the divisor. Are you hearing me? So let's still go to some examples attached to force. They can give you pressure and area. Do you understand? A pressure A 2 Pascal, area 1 0.1 meter square. Find the force. Find the what? Force means multiply everything. Multiply everything. That is formula of force. Every variable do what? Multiply it. Are you hearing me? That is the function of force. Multiply everything. Once you know this, you know peace. Once you know this, you know peace. Jamb is going on live on my YouTube channel, Jamb Question, on how to calculate all the formulas under physics and chemistry. Do you understand? So we are done with physics under Fox. Let's go to energy. So let's take energy. Energy means multiply everything. Do what? Multiply everything. Apart from stored energy. Energy. Do you understand? But know what energy is all about. But once you hear what is the work done in a disc, spring, or energy stored in, I will teach you that one. But energy, single energy means multiply everything. Multiply everything. Do you understand? So it simply means anything they give to you, you do what? You multiply. That's why you get MGH. Because energy means multiply everything, multiplication of everything. That's energy. You are multiplying everything. Planck constant, energy is equals to multiply everything. Multiply everything. So when they give you energy, they give you Planck constant. This is this. They give you frequency. This is this. They give you lambda. Remember I told you that lambda, that is the distance between two things. That is lambda. You do what? You divide. When you see this, divisor, this is called divisor. Other ones are called multiplier. I get me. So energy means multiply everything. So now your energy will be what? Because they are giving you a divisor lambda. That's wavelength. It's a distance between two things. A distance between two table. Distance between a table and a chair. Distance between two things are called what? Is called what? Lambda. So because of that, it's a distance. So this will mean h. So no, this is velocity. Because from v, one can get f lambda. So you make f substitute here, you become v over lambda. Do you understand? So that's why this one is. But you know, once you forget this formula, remember this one. I told you that energy means multiply everything and divide by lambda. Are you hearing me? Everything you see, even the one on the blanket, even the constant. Once you say constant, multiply them and divide by this. Energy work means multiply all the variables. Except you see a distance or lambda or time, you divide. Do you understand? That's for energy. That question going on live on my YouTube channel. Let's go for power. Let's go for what? Power. Power simply means multiply everything. Multiply everything you see. Are you hearing me? So now, sometimes they will attach power, force, and velocity together. Do you understand? When you see force, velocity attached together with power, know that power is superior to force. So that's why force will be a multiplier here. Do you understand? Because power is superior to what? Force. But even we don't have power, they give you force, any other things, you do what? You multiply. But now power is inclusive with this three. What will you do? You multiply everything for power. Do you understand? Power means multiply everything. Multiply everything. But when power is attached with time, power is what? Attached with time. You do what? You multiply everything and divide by time. When we have power like, when you have something like this, M G, H, mass, acceleration to gravity, and height, as well as what? Time attached. What will you do? So your power is equals to mg h over t. Are you hearing me? So remember that power means multiply everything they give to you. Do you understand? Once you see time, distance, levels, you divide. Do you do what? You divide. They are called divisor. So this is Jamb 2025 question going on for those that are going to realize their Jamb. Elevation going on now on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.